Hello everyone, today you will see the new Audi Q6 e-tron, a luxury electric SUV straight from 2050. If you love futuristic cars, don't forget to like and subscribe. Front view. The Q6 e-tron's front fascia is dominated by a wide, illuminated Audi grille framed by sharp LED matrix headlights, projecting a bold, futuristic presence. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic air intakes give the SUV an aggressive but elegant stance. Rear view. The rear features a continuous LED light strip, a sleek diffuser, and a subtly integrated rear spoiler, enhancing the high-tech and sporty appeal. The taillights are connected seamlessly, emphasizing the wide stance of the SUV. Side view. From the side, the Q6 e-tron presents a flowing silhouette with muscular wheel arches, aerodynamic curves, and large, futuristic alloy wheels. Its SUV body balances elegance and sportiness with a futuristic flair. Interior. Step inside and the cabin is fully futuristic. Curved OLED dashboards, augmented reality displays, touch-sensitive controls, ambient lighting, and premium leather with silver accents. The lounge-style seating offers comfort while reflecting the exterior Aurora silver theme. Under the hood, the Q6 e-tron is powered by dual electric motors and a high-capacity battery, delivering instant torque, advanced energy management, and exceptional range, all designed for the 2050 electric mobility era. On the road, in motion, the Q6 e-tron combines performance, stability, and smooth acceleration. The futuristic suspension ensures comfort on any terrain while maintaining a high-tech, premium driving experience. This SUV is a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and futuristic design, truly a glimpse of the future of electric mobility. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2050 car reviews.